Now the question is, it is found that if a neutron suffers an elastic collinear collision with deuterium at rest. So deuterium means H12, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, so here one deuterium is there, nothing but H12. It is at rest. Okay.
Hmm.
Here one neutron is there. Neutron is moving with some velocity. Let's take the velocity is u. So
Hmm.
velocity of neutron is u, and it is going to hit this neutron. Okay. So automatically the velocity of the neutron will change. Obviously, right?
Yeah.
When there is a collision, some loss of energy will be there. Okay.
Hmm.
So here, after collision, let us assume velocity of the deuterium is v. Sorry, not deuterium. Velocity of neutron is v. Okay.
Hmm.
Now, velocity is changing means, can I say it is losing some kinetic energy?
Yeah.
Okay. Now he has mentioned fractional loss of its kinetic energy is PD. So that means PD is equal to fractional loss means, see, loss by fractional loss means loss by original value. This is the meaning. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Fractional loss means how much amount of kinetic energy you lost with respect to the original value. That is the meaning.
Okay.
If they don't mention fractional, loss of its energy means just initial kinetic energy minus final kinetic energy. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. Fractional means you have to compare with the original value. Okay.
Yeah.
So that's why loss by original. So I can write PD is equal to loss means initial minus final, no? So
Yeah.
half into m into u square minus half into m into v square by half into m into u square, right?
Hmm.
Now I am assuming mass of the neutron is m. Mass of the neutron is m means mass of the deuterium will be 2m.
Yeah.
Deuterium will have one proton and neutron.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So mass of neutron m means one proton and one neutron will be 2m.
Hmm.
Okay, right. So here you will get u square minus v square by u square, right?
Yeah.
Chalo. Now, do you remember the collision concept? After collision, velocity of the first object v1 is equal to the formula is m1 minus m2 by m1 plus
Plus
m2
M2.
into u1.
Hmm.
Yeah. Do you remember the
Yeah.
formula?
Yeah, sir.
Plus
So plus M2 minus M1.
2m2 by m1 plus m2
M2.
into
Yeah.
u2. This
Hmm.
is the velocity of first object. Now
Yeah.
velocity of second object is equal to 2m1 by m1 plus m2 into u1. Okay. Plus m2 minus m1 by m1 plus m2 into u2.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hmm.
Now here he is asking, here I assumed that neutron is the first object and deuterium is the second object, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, so I want velocity of the first object after collision, nothing but v1. So v1 is equal to m1 minus m2. m1 is nothing but m. m2 is nothing but 2m, right?
Yeah.
By m1 plus m2 means m plus 2m. Okay.
Hmm.
Into u1 is nothing but u, right?
Hmm.
Plus. Now, u2 means velocity of the second object, initial velocity of the second object. Initially, deuterium is at rest, no?
Yeah.
So that means u2 equal to 0.
Hmm.
So this term will become 0.
Yeah.
Correct?
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
is equal to minus m by 3m into u. mm will be cancelled. So I can write v1 is equal to minus u by 3. That
Okay.
means neutron will bounce back with a speed u by 3. Minus means it will move in opposite direction after collision.
Hmm.
Okay. Now chalo. Now let's go with PD. So PD is equal to u square minus v square by u square, no, is equal to u square minus v square means u by 3 whole square. No need to write minus.
Okay.
Whole square, no? Right?
Yeah.
By u square is equal to numerator, you can take u square common, 1 minus 1 by 9 by u square will be cancelled. Answer is 8 by 9.
Okay.
right?
Yeah, sir.
Now chalo. Next one, while for its similar collision with carbon nucleus at rest, fractional loss is Pc. See, now it is going to hit collide with the carbon nuclei. Now this is the
Mm.
carbon nuclei and this is the neutron. Okay, fine. It is going to hit. Now carbon nuclei means how many protons will be there? Carbon. What is the atomic number?
So 6.
How many protons will be there?
So 6.
How many neutrons?
6.
So if mass of the neutron is m means, can I say mass of the carbon nucleus is 12m, 6 plus 6,
Yeah.
12. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now, here also same thing. Pc is equal to u square minus v square by u square. This is Pc.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, coming to V. V is equal to M1 minus M2, nothing but M minus 12M by M1 plus M2, so M plus 12M, okay, into U1 plus U2 anyway 0, right?
Yeah.
Same as the previous case. Understood?
Okay. Yes, sir.
So is equal to minus 11m by 13m into u. Mm will be cancelled. So v is equal to minus 11 by 13 times of u. That means here also neutron will move in opposite direction with a speed 11 by 13 times of u. Done?
Okay. Yes, sir.
So that implies Pc is equal to u square minus v square minus 11 by 13 u. No need to take minus also here because anyway whole square
Score. Yeah.
is equal to u square into 1 minus 11 square means 121, 13 square means 169
169. Mm.
by u square. U square will be cancelled. 169 minus 121 means 48
Yeah.
by 169. Done?
Okay. Yes,
This
sir.
is PC. Now, what is asking? Ratio, right? The values of PD and PC. He is asking values only. So, 8 by 9 means 0.8
9.
left with around 9,
Yeah.
0.89 almost. Okay.
Hmm.
Now, coming to this 0 point. So, 480, no? 16 2 just. So, 0.2,
2.
something. Just check the options. 0.89 first one. So, 0.2 something. So, answer is 4.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Clear now?
Hmm.
Chalo. Let's go with the next problem.